How to enable dark mode on DeepSeek app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode in the DeepSeek app. It's super quick, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the DeepSeek app on your phone. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the two dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once the pop-up menu appears, simply tap on your profile email shown in the bottom of the menu. And by tapping on that, you will be prompted to your profile section. And in this section, you can see the option labeled color scheme. Simply tap on that. And the pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can see the option labeled dark. Simply tap on it. And once you have selected that, simply tap on done. And that's it. Now you have enabled the dark mode on the DeepSeek app. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.